Hello. In today's video, we shall look at one method of solving quadratic equations, and that method is called factorizing. Alright, now factorization consists of writing a number or another mathematical object as a product of several factors. In this video, I will show us step by step of how we can factorize a question. For example, we are asked to factorize y squared plus 5y minus 36. Now, we have some steps. The first step is to split plus 5y into two numbers. Now, those two numbers, when multiplied, will give us minus 36, and when we add up those two numbers, it must give us plus 5y. And I think of two numbers, and the two numbers I can think of is 9 and minus 4. Now, minus 4y plus 9y gives me 5y. And when I multiply minus 4 and plus 9y, I should get minus 36. So these two numbers are the two numbers I can use to replace plus 5y. So the second step is to replace plus 5y by minus 4y plus 9y. So therefore, we are left with y squared minus 4y plus 9y minus 36. As you can see, plus 5y has been replaced by minus 4y plus 9y. Minus 4y plus 9y gives us plus 5y. So we are right on track. The next step is to group the expressions into two terms. For example, I can take a bracket of y squared minus 4y, that's one. Then I put plus 9y minus 36 into a next bracket. Now, things are getting better. What I do next is to find the common factor for each of the expressions in the bracket. I will start with y squared minus 4y. Now, the common factor for y squared and 4y is y, as you can see. So I bring out my y, open bracket. Now, the common factor, we divide everything in the bracket. Y divided by y squared will give us y. 4y divided by y will give us what? 4. So I'm left with what? Y minus 4. If you expand this, you should get this. Now I'm doing the same thing right here. What is the common factor for 9y and 36? That should be 9. So I bring out my plus 9, open bracket. Now 9y divided by 9 will give us y, and 9 divided by 36 will give us what? 4. If you are to expand this, you should get back this. All right. So the next step is to bring out the factors. As you can see, I have here y minus 4 and y minus 4. I take one out, y minus 4, and also I have y plus 9. I take that out. So this is the factors of y squared plus 5y minus 36. So as I was saying before, that factorization is writing or finding the product of several factors. As you can see here, y minus 4 and y plus 9 are the factors of y squared plus 5y minus 36. So when we are asked to factorize, this is what we do by finding the factors. So this is my final answer. In our next video, we shall look at more examples of how we can factorize in different situations. Thank you.